Well, hello, long time. Welcome to Learn Brizy Cloud with JP. And this is a special video to let you know about a unexpected, amazing deal going on over at Brizy. And this is in relation to Brizy Cloud. So if you're not interested in cloud, see you later. If you are interested in Brizy Cloud due to high demand, Brizy has decided to offer a lifetime deal. So you can actually get Brizy Cloud for life. Before I tell you more about the deal, also check in the link below a new channel that I've started actually this week, Learn Brizy Cloud. So if you're a beginner, you want to know more about Brizy Cloud, how you can go from a zero to a hero, please follow the link in the description below and sign up for the channel. Loads and loads of tutorials on the way. As you can see, only 2 out there, 3 subscribers. Thanks for those people who have already joined. Here's the catch though. You may think in terms of an AppSumo deal when we talk a lifetime license deal. And if you think like that, you're going to be very, very disappointed. To learn more about this deal, click on the link in the description below. And the reason is that when you look at what is on offer here, you're going to see it's pretty high amounts. We're not talking small little numbers here. For the personal cloud, it's $199 for 1 workspace and 1 hosted site. Remember, you still get free unlimited sites for the Brizy.site extension. But if you want to host your own URL, then there's only 1 for that. This is going to run you $200 out of the pocket for 1. If you want to go for 20 hosted sites, it's going to run you around $750 USD. And if you want 100, that's 1,500. Now, this may seem steep, but you have to remember that you are paying actually for hosting. So all of those features like your SSL, your hosting, etc., they are all included. If you were to work on WordPress and you did that all individually, separately, with all the security that you also have to put on top of that, this is a very good deal. To put it into perspective, if you are paying on an annual subscription, and this is what we can do, go to Brizy, and then we have here, what is this? This is Brizy Cloud, right? Annually, the personal is running you $80 here, freelancer $300, and agency $500. So by paying for the limited, you're paying about 3 years, but you're getting lifetime license. So it is a good deal if you're planning to go beyond 3 years. If you don't think you're going to last up to 3 years, or you think it's much too high of a risk, then you stick on the annual subscription. But if you've got websites there, you have a number of them, and you're pretty sure you're going to be using it, then this lifetime deal, yep, is a no-brainer. One more thing. Another link in the description below is to a new site that I've created called Wireframes for Brizy Cloud, or Wireframes for Brizy. The idea behind this website is that if you run out of ideas and you want to get some ready-made blocks that you can import to your site and use, then you can come to this site. For example, here I'll go to the Heroes section, and then under my Heroes section, I have around 4 currently ready. There is a Hero 001, 002, and so it goes on. Each one a little different that you can play around with. And all you need to do is download it from here. It's free. You import it to your library and then you can use it. Much, much more to come. This is still very, very new. So you can expect loads more different kinds of sections, testimonials, contact forms, the works. They're all in the pipeline. That's it from me, JP here at Learn Brizy, and we'll change the name of this channel to Learn Brizy WordPress. Remember to sign up for Learn Brizy Cloud. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye now.